Hi guys, Retro Tech Ralph here. Right, I've been to the car boot sale, or you say in America you're thrifting, I don't know what it is. Silly little thing. You sell out in car boots basically in a big middle of a field. All your junk that you don't want. There's always people there that sell stuff properly for a living, and it's a case of just seeing what's a bargain and what isn't, to be honest. So I went there with open mind, see what was there. There was plenty of stuff. There were a few. Because we went to the one at Oldcotes, and there were one near to Kidby Corner as well, because we're South Yorkshire, but kind of go eastwards. There's a couple of good ones over there. And we met the Kidby Corner one way too late. They're all shut up, but they're indoor market as well to have a look around as well. Went too bad. I got a couple of things from there anyway. But the one from Alton, yes, was absolutely... tons of people there. When we got there, the people were packing up, and we got there quite early. So let's go for the one. Got 2 bags full. So let's go through this one. We've got a Nintendo Wii in the house, and we've got 2.5 controllers, because I got one controller part of a lot, and it was covered in rust and crap, and battery had leaked. But we hadn't got a nunchuck for it, so I repaired that one yonks ago. So I got that, as well as a rubber case for the wheel we got, and the vibration pack at the back of it. That wobbling does a little bit concern me, but should work. We'll plug it in and see if it does actually go. Worst case, I have to peel it open and glue it in place, solder it back in place, and a few wires in there, if that. Also, from a nice man who was selling loads of games, all consoles basically. I got Assassin's Creed 3. I've not got for the PlayStation 3. I can't hack my PS3 just yet anyway, so got Assassin's Creed 3. I also got this thing. I hope you can see that. It's Batman Arkham Originals Collector's Edition in the steel box. And it's got both discs inside it. The Deathstroke Challenge Pack. I'm sure that the code on that is not valid, but it's a brilliant pack. Needs a bit of clean. That's just glue on there. That's what's cleaning off. Well, for the 360, there's very few 360 games I've actually got, but yeah, thought I'd get that one. And another one in a collector's box for Mass Effect. So I thought I'd get this, not only because it's limited edition box in the sleeve, it also got already the 360 book, codex for Essential Codex. I need to play a Mass Effect, I really don't. I think I've got it for the PC, but it's also got both discs with it. Limited collector's edition, bonus content. So really, why not? I think these were all together, that were all £5. Done, easy, sorted. Right, going to the one at Allerton. Really good car boots. I've been there, this is the second time I've actually been there. So first stall I saw, there was a big pink fluffy unicorn from Minions, from Despicable Me, and I wanted it, but yeah, the missus didn't let me, so I couldn't have that. But she did let me have a quick shot joystick. I think I've already got one of these, and if I can find the joysticks easy enough, then I'll show you it. I think it's a quick shot 4. But I have one of these already, so everything seems to work. The 5 buttons fine. That's stuck to there, so that's pretty much alright. Goes to 4 different types, the Atari, Commodore, MSX, Amstrad and Sega. So I've got a couple of those that I can play on, but absolutely spot on joystick. auto fire, bit of clean up. Price was £1.50. I thought, I'm not going to haddle with him. I really can't be bothered to haddle with him, so got it for £1.50. Absolutely spot on. Cable seems fine, not too stretched. Everything's okay. Then we went to the, they were a stall for some sweets, some marshmallows, Christmas stock, but they're all been left. They've scribbled off the Morrison's bit, but I've not got that here. It's not like the retro sweet Ralph or anything like that. But there's another guy. There's an electronics playground. Now, I don't know if this is old or new or what, but I always wanted one of these electronic sets. Made in Oxford. Use a PP3, so you know it's old. From John Adams. I've not looked inside this yet. I've actually got two. The 16-1 Electronic Project Lab. Seeing that, it's from Tandy. £17.95, which back then would have been, I don't know, $25 or something. This also requires one 9-volt and two AA's. I don't know the year on this, but I haven't looked at these. Now, have a guess how much they were. And this is before I thought about haddling, but then realised no. £2. £1 each. Absolute stunning bargain. I just legged it. But there are little parts in here. There's a battery in there. I've not actually looked in here just yet. So this looks more cardboardy, more nowadays-y sort of stuff. We have got the antenna, make your own radio. Oh, okay. Some wires. So I think we're missing a lot of... Actually, we're not, are we? All the parts are on here. I think it's just learning how to do these sort of things. So you use your wires as patch cables and make, I don't know, make a radio, make something that goes... No speaker, but I can do so. I can play with this. This would be quite fun to play with, to be honest. So, yeah. So no price on that one, and no year this is made. It's got the instructions in here. Let's have a look. 1998. So it's yeah. Since it's 2019 now, 21 years old this now. Oh, yeah, that'll do me. Not a bad little find there. Now this one we're saying Tandy on it. I'm expecting either everything's missing or... Ooh. Hello. The diagrams. They're the same. Decision module. Counter module. Some wire. Some bits. This is basically same as the other, but a lot older. What the hell? Adventures with Electronics. Oh, okay. Tom Duncan. Parking light. I'm not sure this is meant to be in here, is it? No, I don't think that's meant to be in there. Oh, I love that. I mean, it's basic electronics, and I don't have any electronic background to me whatsoever. West Midlands, Tandy. Come on, give me a year on this. There you go, 1985. So this is quite old indeed, and the state this is in. So you've got your original earphone, missing the cables, but I don't think they're connected, but I don't think they had one. Oh, a bag of dust. These must be iron filings or something for a magnet. There's the fan module. Oh, cool. They're magnets. Yeah. Barely. These are magnets. Better. Okay, anything else on here? No? No property of? cool. Very cool. I mean, for £1, I honestly couldn't go wrong. Let's have lamps on there. That's ridiculous. Green lamp, orange lamp, red LED. Strange enough. And it's all wired up to the same last thing that the last person used. Barely. But yeah, I like that. I really like that. Never had one of these as a kid, but that's absolutely spot on. Completely spot on. For £1. Could not go wrong. I mean, if I put that on eBay, I'm sure that a collector out there would pay a fortune for that. Or would they? So, if you're a collector, want to pay a fortune for it, get in touch. If not, I hope you like that. That's my first car boot unboxing sort of, yeah, shopping trip. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I like that for £1.50. Wow. And, yeah, see you next video. Bye for now. Hi guys, Retro Trek. Oh, no, it's not.